Hello, welcome to the ringing chamber of St Nicholas Church, Thames Ditton. Here at Thames Ditton we have 6 bells, arranged from the treble here, which weighs just over 300 weight, through the 2 and around the chamber through to the tenor, number 6, which is just over 800 weight. At the moment the bells are safe, in the down position, and that means you're not able to ring it in the way we normally do, but what we can do is chime them. So here's a quick demonstration of chiming. When we chime, what we're doing is swinging the bell and forcing the clapper to hit the side of the bell to make the chiming sound. So here goes. When it's like that, all you can do is make that chiming sound, which isn't the kind of musical sound we want for bell ringing. In order to ring properly, what we have to do is first ring the bell into the up position. At the moment it's down, we need to ring, so it's that way up. So here goes. Okay, so this bell is now up, and that enables us to control the speed at which we ring. Changing the speed is really important, because when you ring as a team, what you try to do is ring all the bells in sequence, so it sounds really nice. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For that you need to get the timing just right, so you need to adjust your speed to make sure it works. When we get more competent, what we do is ring methods, and that's when bells change the order. In order to change the order, a bell that was near the back needs to come down, needs to ring that little bit quicker, and the bell which is moving to a further position needs to ring a little bit slower. So bringing the bell up to the balance enables you to change the speed and control it. So I'll just give a quick demonstration of normal ringing and changing the speed. At the moment, the bells have a half muffle on, which means that on one side of the clapper, the metal hits metal. On the other side of the clapper, you have a leather cap, so the leather strikes metal, so you get a duller sound. So at hand stroke, you'll hear a clear note. At backstroke, you'll hear a muffled note. This is hand stroke and backstroke. And now to change speed, I'll show you a bit faster. Slower. So the next thing to do really is go and have a look at the bells and see the action of the bells themselves. Okay, here we are up in the Belfry, where we have all 6 of our bells. they are arranged with the 6, the 1, the 2 and the 3 in the front as we stand, and the 4 and the 5 are at the back. All the bells are down with the exception of the 2 here, which I rang up a few moments ago. We're going to give you a quick talk through some of the features of the bells, using the treble as the example. So here we have the bell itself, which is attached to the headstock. The headstock has a wheel attached to it around which the rope is attached, and as the bell rings, the wheel turns, the rope coils around the bell wheel, and then as you pull it back again, it unwinds and goes back the other way. So it's tied on here. Another feature of note is the stay, which is this wooden post here. The purpose of the stay is to hold the bell in the upright position. And you can just about see it here on the number 2. The stay catches on a wooden slider which is mounted on the bell frame, and as the bell rings from handstroke to backstroke, the slider is moved by the stay to allow you to keep the bell on the balance at each point. On the 2 here you can see the clapper. I've just fixed a rubber silencer around it, so that as I give you a demonstration of ringing, it won't be quite so noisy. Okay, those are the main features. I'm now going to go downstairs and pull the bell over a few times so you can see the action of the bell. So now you've seen the bells ringing, all that remains now is to ring the bell down to make it safe again. So here goes. So now you've seen the bells ringing, the next thing to do is to show you a clip of ringing as a round. It'll start off as rounds in sequence, and after a little while we'll then start a method. In this case the method is called All Saints, and you'll hear the bells changing position, and because the ringing is half muffled, you'll get that lovely sound of one clear round and then a muffled round. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Going, keep going.